Welcome back, guys. Okay, part 20. And in part 20, I actually want to do something a bit different. And that's going to be saving and loading of player score and money. And if you don't want to have saving, or if you don't want to learn it or loading, or you already know it, just skip over the video. But if you don't and you do want to learn, it is quite fun. Yeah, just stick around and we're going to do it now. So let me hit play. What I want to save, let me switch to generating the world. Okay, so if you remember in the last video, we redone the world generation system. So I actually want to save my money and my score right here. I don't want to save the feet because that's going to be independent. It's always going to be, default 0 feet at the top. And also what we're going to do is, before we had our nice green grass layer. Well, we don't have that anymore, and we're actually gonna add that again now. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is add the grass because that's gonna be quite short, and then after that we're going to get going with the saving. Okay, so just copy this line of code right here, the grass one, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna say if height is equal to -1, else. And then like before, we just pass in our height. And now if I hit play, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce my height here to 16, 16, because I'm tired of it taking forever. Okay, well, that didn't work, so let me just check. So that is -1, and we are checking if it equals -1. So how about we do if h is bigger than -1, and then hit play. Everything below, good. Everything below that is beautiful. Now all I'm gonna do is switch these two around. Like that. Hit play. We get the same thing. Let me pause it while I fix this. Alright, I figured it out. It took me not too long, but yeah. So I cannot go far back. So just copy these. It's if h equals height -1, and then instantiate the grass, or else if h is not equal to height -1, just instantiate the rock instead. And the reason why we're not doing h equals 0 is because if you remember, we are actually going up. No, that makes no sense. I don't really know why this is the only one that works, and I guess the math is because you're doing this one last and the grass is going to be the last one, so I guess it's just the way it's compiled. But you can see we get a nice grass layer at the top right there, like that. Just tell you, the break works quite fine as well, which is a good thing. Okay, so now that we've done that, what you can officially do is just delete these two, and I'm also going to make it a bit bigger just to add a bit more fun to it, like that. Cool. And I'm going to move our player as well this way. I'm gonna move him down to 6. Yeah, that didn't change. Alright, 20 it is. Okay. Beautiful, because I want it to be in the middle. Alright, so now that we've done that, let's get on to the saving. So all I'm going to do function save. And now, there's a few things we're going to want to save. And that will be, let's see. Well, actually, let's do on application quit. I think that's it. Let me check. Just delete these. And it is Unity on application quit. Yes, it is. Good, let me copy that. Good, I spelled it right. Okay, and all we're gonna do is call the function save. And that function, I guess you don't have to create all these functions, you can just put it into that, but I just like everything being very neat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do player prefs, which is the Unity's default way of saving. You can do XML, but that takes much longer. It is better, but it takes much longer. We're gonna do, what do we want to save? We want to save our ints, which is the money and the score points. Money and points, that's cool. So set int key and then value, and it's gonna be money. This is gonna be money as well. And another one for points, like that. Good, no errors. Whoops. Whoops. Okay. Now that we've done that, let me just check if we've got an on application. Application. No. No, we don't. Okay. So I guess we can put that in the start as well. And this is gonna be load. And you can probably tell what this is gonna do. Yeah, just player prefs dot get, and then all you have to pass through is the string or the key. A key is what you called here, the money. It's just so Unity can find it in the file. And then this one's gonna be points. And all we have to do now is just say money is equal to that, and points is equal to that. Okay, let's test it. Okay, sweet. You can see I've already actually tested it before, and so we got 940. 934. Close it. Hit play. Yay, 934. So that is pretty much it for this tutorial. In the next one we're gonna do some more stuff on the GUI, and let's see if we can clean up anything before we leave. Yes, everything works fine. Okay, so I got an idea. What we're gonna do is let me see. When you click B to delete a square, so B deletes a square, B deletes, but on the grass it doesn't work, and that's because we've got different keys for that. So what we could do is that rock layer 1? I don't know. Let me check. Rock layer 1, if input key BBB. Okay. So I guess we can just create a new script for the grass just to be independent. We could put everything under one script, but I don't see why we should do that right now. Where are my prefabs? Here we go. Grass, and then just drag that onto there. And all I'm gonna do, open it up, and I made a C#. God. By the way, if you guys have any suggestions, I've done it again. If anyone's got any suggestions for upcoming tutorials, or if you want to learn something and you want me to make a tutorial on it, just ask, and then I'll probably do it because I actually enjoy creating these. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this update function, put it into here, and these as well. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. If rock type normal. Hot points plus 50. What is this? I have not looked at my tutorials in so long. Here we go. I'll put it into here. And then we need our variables. Select type, if current type, boom, boom, boom. Alright, I see what happens. Okay. We need this one, and we need up to here. So I'm just gonna sort these out before we go. We don't need enum. We don't need current type. Current type, current number. Oh well. For grass, we're just gonna put 10. Copper, we don't need this. Oops. And hot points, if normal. Well, I guess we don't need that since we've already defined it up here as being 10. So HP that. Whoops. Current type. Alright, sweet. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Okay. Don't have the script added. It's quite weird. Thought I did. Okay. So now I hit B. Yay! So I find this quite cool that we can, dig out little caves here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be rich after this. Alright. Bye bye guys, let's see how far I got down. So yeah, I'm nearly at the bottom. Oh well. Yep, I'm dragging this on. See ya guys.